What's up, guys? My name is Phil. Welcome back to Miranda Detailing. Today we're on site detailing this beautiful GMC truck. I'm going to show you guys two products in particular that we're going to be using on the vehicle. The first one is from Melco. This is their Clean and Shine. So this is actually a leather, plastic, vinyl cleaner and conditioner in one. So if the vehicle isn't completely trashed, or if you're just doing maintenance details, you can use a product like this to clean and condition all in one, which is pretty efficient. The other product that we're going to use on all the carpets and fabric, if there is any other fabric in here, is Extreme Solutions Bio Clean. So this is a biodegradable cleaner. It's an all-purpose cleaner slash degreaser, but most of all it's an interior type of cleaner. And we have it mixed here about 5 to 1. So this will be used for all of the carpets and any other fabric that is in the vehicle. But we're going to use these two products to clean the inside of this vehicle. we just finished the truck. I just wanted to show you those two products and how they worked. Now, granted, this vehicle is not bad at all. That's why we used this Melco, nope, that's the BioClean. That's why we use the Melco Clean and Shine. It's because it's a 2-in-1 product. So it will clean, it will condition, it just makes things easier. So if you don't need to do any type of heavy duty cleaning, then I say a product like this is really nice. Now, I just chose this one. Melco sent it to me. Thank you, Melco. I really like it, actually. I started using it and realized the benefit of it. Because it cleans and conditions at the same time, it's fast, it is efficient. So if you're in the market for a product like that,
Why? Why?
I don't know. So if you're in the market for a product like that, this could be a good solution. If you already have one that you like, let me know down below. Which one do you use? One that cleans and conditions leather, plastic, and vinyls, both interior and exterior. Now this, will this do exterior? Well, it doesn't really specifically say interior or exterior, so it can probably be used for both. Now this doesn't really produce any type of shine at all. It's very satin to matte finish, like there's nothing on there at all. So again, if that's what you want, that like natural clean finish look, then that's what this stuff produces. So really, really nice. Now you've probably seen me use the BioClean before, but I just wanted to showcase it again today. I thought it was a great vehicle to work on because again, not a ton of heavy cleaning to do. In fact, I didn't even need to extract anything because there's no stains to extract. There's no need for that. I'm going to spray this everywhere, all over the carpet areas. It freshens up the cabin as well. It has a really nice fresh scent to it. And basically I wipe it into all of the surfaces. So it will clean all of the surfaces that you need to clean. It will attack stains as well, so if you dilute it a little bit stronger, then you can attack stains as well on carpets and upholstery. But today's job was fairly easy. It was pretty straightforward, so we didn't need to pull out all that heavy equipment to clean. If you don't need to do that, then don't. There's no need to oversaturate carpets and steam everything just for the sake of doing it. And I know some people say, well, steam is going to clean and sanitize. The chemical also cleans and sanitizes. And since this is a more of a bio-friendly type of cleaner, that's the point of it, is it's going to be safer. And you don't have to extract everything and steam everything if you don't need to. So really, when it comes to detailing, YouTube is oversaturated with the perfection of detailing, and that includes interiors as well. A lot of people just want to see the steaming and extracting, and in their minds they think that's true detailing, that's really deep cleaning. Yeah, it is, but you also have to remember that we're a business. So we're a detailing business, we're not a YouTube detailer. That's the difference. So we're going to do what we need to do in order to clean the vehicle and go on to the next job. Are we cutting corners? Are we cheating the customer? No, we're not. We ask the customer all the questions that need to be asked to make sure to get the result that they want. That's the name of the detailing business, is to give the customer what they want and not show on YouTube all of those, extracting videos and steaming videos just for the sake of doing it, to kind of appease some of the viewers on here. So if that's what you're into, there's plenty of other channels to check out. We are a business, so I'm going to be teaching you the business of detailing, all the ins and outs, the good and the bad, the ugly of detailing, jobs that don't come out so well, and the challenges that we come across that, well, sometimes there's not a solution for at all. So stay tuned for videos like that, and search the rest of the 500 videos that we have on here, because that's what we show, the reality of detailing. So if you are interested in those two products, the BioClean and the Melco Clean and Shine, just two products that we showcased today, then I'll have the links down below if you're interested. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. That way you don't miss stuff. And we'll see you guys next week. Take care. Bye. It smells so clean.